So one of the unique things that we have on the MA Psychology is an opportunity for students to do public engagement activities. So first of all, students do some lectures and meet with people who are involved in different kinds of public engagement. And then they get to work with a particular research group in the school and get involved in a public engagement activity with them. And this is really important because it's not enough for us as scientists just to talk to other scientists about the kind of things that we do, but also we want to tell the public about what we're doing, why we're doing it, and also to think about their kind of feedback on the kind of questions that we ask. I'm a developmental psychologist, and so I'm interested in how children's imagination develops and their problem-solving abilities. And so one of the places that we do public engagement activities and that we take our MA psychology students with us is the Think Tank Museum, which is Birmingham's science museum, especially focused on young children. One of the big things that we do there is run Meet the Scientist events. This is where we set up a stall, we have lots of different activities and demonstrations, computer games, toys for children to play with, drawing tasks, and we use those as a way of talking to parents about the kind of research that we do. We also use the Think Tank Museum as a place for actually running real studies, and so it's really important for us to keep up our relationship with them and talk to them about the kind of things that we are doing, which is why it's nice to have our public engagement students working with them. Some of the tasks that we run are things like the problem-solving task, where children have to use 2 different tools to try and get a sticker out of a box. And this is the kind of research that's been run with lots of different species, chimpanzees, crows, but we're running it with young children because we're interested in how a very simple problem might actually be really difficult for young children to solve. And actually they do really struggle with it. They find it hard to work out that you can use 2 tools to do the same thing. So our MA students would be able to help us run those kind of studies in the public buildings like Think Tank Museum, or we've also worked with Birmingham Library. And also they're able to write information sheets for parents about the kind of things that we do. We've also made packs for children to take back to their schools so that they can explain what they've been doing with scientists at the University of Birmingham. Other public engagement things that our MA psychology students do in our group, but also with other people in the school, are working on websites or maybe writing articles for the press, and also engaging in social media, so trying to get our message out on Twitter and on Facebook. The public engagement activities are a really nice way for the students to get lots of different types of skills, so research skills, but also organisation and communication skills, but to do that by working directly with a research team in the school.